let's see an example for implementation of heuristic search. That is, you're solving the reason coloring problem. So what is that problem? In that problem we have to color some reasons, and this can be done using heuristic search. Now how it can be done, let's see. Let's use the constant satisfaction framework, that is your CSP, constant satisfaction problem, to solve the reason coloring problem. Now this is your reason, this is your example, this is representing your problem, and we have to color those reasons. These are different reasons: Mark, Julia, Brian, Steve, Amanda, Derek, Kelly, Alan, Michael, Joanne, Chris. We have to color those reasons with different colors. So we have few reasons in the preceding figure that are labeled with names, and our goal is to color with 4 colors so that no adjacent reasons have the same color. So this is your basic problem. We have to color with 4 colors, and so that no adjacent reasons have the same color. Now we will write a program in Python for solving that problem, and we will use here, what we will apply here, we will apply heuristic search technique in that. Now let's see how it can be done. Okay, so let's solve that coloring problem using Python. So see, this is your map. In this we have to color those portion, and remember our problem is that no two adjacent states will have the same color. Okay, so let's try this in Python. See, this is your program. Okay, first we are importing your simple AI module. Next we are defining constant function. That is the function that impose the constant that neighbors should be different. That is, should be different color. Next, this is your main function, in which first we are initializing your names, and that names tuple will contain different states. Okay. Next we are defining the possible colors, and here since we have to use 4 different colors, so we are using red, green, blue and gray. You can use any color. Next we are defining the constants, that is your conditions. So Mark and Julia are, see, these two are adjacent to each other, and Mark and Steve also are adjacent to each other. So these two states must not have same color, and so we have to provide condition on these states. So see, Mark and Julia is applied with constant function. Similarly, Mark and Steve with constant function, and this constant function is showing that these two must be different. They must have different color. Similarly, these are different states, and we are providing constant function on them. Okay, next is your problem. So for that we are using CSP problem. That is your, you know very well what is CSP, constraint specification problems. So constraint satisfaction problems. Okay, so we are providing here names of states, colors and your constraints. Finally, we are printing the solution using backtrack function, in which we are providing problem in the form of argument, and then we are printing our color mapping finally. So see, this is your output. Let's run this program. Now see, this is your color mapping. Here Alan is colored with red, Derek with blue, Mark with red, Joanne with green, Steve with blue, Kelly with grey, Amanda with red, Brian with red, Julia with green and Michelle with grey. Now see, no two adjacent states have same color. You can see this picture. In this picture, Mark is with red color, Amanda, Brian, Chris and Ellen. And now here see, Mark, Amanda, Brian, Ellen, these have red colors. Okay, now see, no two adjacent states have same color. All adjacent states have different color. So we have solved that coloring problem. We have colored those states, and we have applied also our condition, that is your heuristic function, and this comes under the category of heuristic search. Okay, so you can solve any type of problem like this. Okay, so let's try this. Thank you.